In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add state taxes on the Turbotax app. This simple process will help ensure that your state taxes are accurately filed and hassle-free. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Turbotax official site. This is the starting point for getting your taxes sorted out efficiently. Once there, look for the Sign In button. You'll find this at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking here will take you to the login page where you should enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, but for most returning users, this step will bring you straight to your Turbotax dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Turbotax home by either following a direct link or selecting it from your dashboard. This is the place where all of your tax-related activities are centralized, making it easier for you to keep track of various tasks. It's designed to be user-friendly and should display all your past and current tax documents clearly. After you've reached your home screen, find and select 2024 taxes. This step is crucial as it directs you to the tax files pertinent to the current year. Here you'll be able to see a detailed breakdown of your federal and state tax forms. It's always a good idea to double check that you're accessing the correct year. This is particularly important if you've had extensions or are working on multiple tax filings. Next, click on State Taxes. This section is dedicated specifically to state tax filing and ensures that any state-based income, deductions or credits are accurately captured. Different states have unique requirements or tax breaks, so it's important to review this section carefully. If you're filing in multiple states, make sure you complete the process for each one individually. Now look for the option that says Prepare State. This function will walk you through the steps necessary to complete your state tax filing. TurboTax will typically guide you through a series of questions about your state residency status, income specifics, and any deductions you may qualify for. This section uses your federal data to help streamline the process, which saves time and reduces errors. Finally, click on Let's Get Started to begin filling in all the necessary details. This will be your cue to confirm all your state-specific information and ensure everything aligns with your federal return. At this stage, TurboTax will offer suggestions and reminders about common deductions and credits, so pay close attention. Once completed, review all the inputs thoroughly and proceed to file. By following these steps, you'll have your state taxes added to your TurboTax profile, ready to be filed smoothly and accurately. Remember to take your time and consult the help features if you need additional support during any step of the process. Happy filing!